Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Naturally Live here. If you're new here, welcome. I'm just going to take you guys on my wash day using Ayurvedic hair care products, so let's get started. So I'm starting off on dirty blown out hair, and I'm going straight in with my Scalp Pre-Wash, which is by Shaz and Kiks. It's called Back to Your Roots. It's a scalp and hair pre-wash for thick, curly to coily hair. I really like starting off my wash day with this pre-poo because it's good for soothing dry, itchy scalp, moisturizing wave curls and coils, and supporting hair growth. Now, all of these different ingredients, such as a turmeric root oil, is good for inflammation and scalp sensitivities. Shakaikai is good for balancing your scalp's pH and reduces flakes and itchiness. Tulsi nourishes hair follicles and stimulates hair growth. Cocoa butter, amla, and rice bran oil, those are good for strengthening strand structure and softening the natural texture. So all of this stuff is what I'm putting back into my scalp that I've either sweated out or don't have enough nutrients in. It's really just nourishing to my scalp before I even start my shampoo.
So I'm just going to put this in throughout each section of my hair and go ahead and massage this in for about 5 to 10 minutes and then leave this for around 20 minutes, which they say the longer the better. And over the regular use of about 4 to 6 weeks, your hair will become stronger, healthier, less shedding, and you'll start seeing healthy hair growth. So that's why I mainly use it, but I'm just going to keep on doing this throughout my hair before I go ahead and wash it.
I'm going to be using a clay mask as my detoxifying shampoo. So I'm just showing you guys the calcium bentonite clay and the Moroccan Rhassoul clay, which I'll be using as a detoxifying mineral-rich clay that replenishes hair strands. So I'm just going to pour that into a bowl and then go in with some aloe vera juice that I made and then some apple cider vinegar and just mix that all up and let that sit before I go ahead and put that in my hair. I'm just mixing this until I get a nice consistency. I don't want to have any lumps in it, not have it too watery or too thick because this is going on throughout my hair. So I want to make sure that it's coating every hair strand. The only difference between the bentonite clay and the Rhassoul clay is that the bentonite clay seems to be more detoxifying while the Rhassoul clay is more conditioning. So I rinsed out the Scalp Pre-Wash and now I'm going to go ahead in with that Rhassoul clay mask that I just made. I'm going to go ahead and put on my gloves. This can get kind of messy, so I did lay a towel down so that way it doesn't go all over the floor. I'm just going to rub that in through each section, make sure that I'm not over my counter because I don't want this splashing everywhere. And you can see that it is coating my hair strands. After I put some more on, you'll be able to see more of the definition that I have, but I'm just gonna go through each section and put this on. It's okay to be heavy-handed using this product. That bowl made a lot, as you saw, and a little bit does go a long way, but I want to make sure that I'm using all the product that's in that bowl. So you can see the definition with my hair, you can see my curls, and I'm just going to go over to each section and do the exact same thing.
So this is how my hair is looking after it's fully coated with the Rhassoul clay mask. And put that everywhere, and you can see my curls, you can see the definition. I still have some hang time and my hair is moving. Once that dries up a little bit though, it'll get stiff and I'll just rinse that out. I'm only going to leave this product in for around 5 to 10 minutes before I rinse my hair out with some warm water. Okay, I'm back. My hair is clean. I just rinsed that out with some warm water and my scalp is clean. You can see the definition with my curls. I'm just going now in with the Cocoveda hair mask by Henna Sooq, and this is infused with hair strengthening herbs, moisture rich for dry and damaged hair for all hair types. Some of the Ayurvedic hair strengthening herbs that they use in this product is henna, amla, shakaikai, binraj, brahmi. And all of these herbs will leave your hair stronger, promote hair growth, and hydrate hair. It is a thick product, so I make sure I wear my gloves again. I don't think this stains, but I just want to make sure that I'm not risking it. And I'm just going to go through each section again, rub that in, smooth it out because it is thick. And I'm just going to coat each hair strand and then go in and detangle with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. And I know I just named a whole bunch of earthy herbs, but this product literally smells like lemongrass. It smells so good, you guys. It doesn't smell like earth or anything like that. And it's for your hair growth. You want to make sure that your hair is feeling moisturized, hydrated, stronger strands, and that's all that this product literally says that it does. So I don't use this often, but anytime I'm using any Ayurvedic products, especially for a deep conditioner, I want to make sure that I'm using something that's going to strengthen and moisturize my hair, and the Cocoveda does that. This does have slip, as you can see. My Felicia Leatherwood brush is getting the work put in. And I did struggle a little bit, but I could have just put some more water on my hair. So it is really thick, so keep that in mind. So I ended up rinsing out the deep conditioner with this cleansing conditioning co-wash with shakaikai and sweet orange. This was my first time using this from Henna Sooq, and it says that this co-wash is extremely restorative and leaves hair feeling soft and moisturized, and it aids in easily removing henna, hair dye, Ayurvedic hair treatments, making hair more manageable and restoring moisture. This actually did all of that. Here I'm just showing you the oils that I'll be using on my scalp, on my freshly blow-dried hair. I'm going in with the limited edition Coffee and MSM Fenugreek Elixir by Curly Proverbz and the regular Fenugreek Elixir by Curly Proverbz. This oil has benefits of sulfur MSM, which is known for extending the growth phase of the hair cycle, and caffeine has follicle strengthening properties that can decrease shedding. This oil is really good for benefiting hair loss, dandruff, encourages hair growth, rebuilds areas of damaged cuticles, strengthens hair follicles, anti-inflammatory. I could go on, but you get the point. So I'm just going in with my hair moisturizer and then going in with the golden one by Curly Proverbz. And this has pumpkin, carrot, and castor oil, which is really good for keeping your hair hydrated and build the natural shine of your hair, as well as increase thickness and strengthen elasticity. All this stuff smells so good. And then I just make sure to put that
Fenugreek Elixir right on top. And Fenugreek is good for reducing hair loss. And I want to keep all the strands on my head. So I'm just going to do that throughout each section of my hair. And no, my hair does not feel oily. It feels moisturized. These are all light oils, not really heavy duty oils. So I'm just going to section my hair and then just go ahead and twist it up so I can wear my hair like that throughout the week, or at least get a couple days out of it where I don't have my hands in my head all day long. So right now you're just going to see me parting my hair and then just flat twist my hair into 2 flat twists around my head. This concludes my Ayurvedic wash day routine. I hope you guys like what you saw. Let me know if you guys try some of the oils or already use some of this stuff in your routine already. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I have my new videos. You know, I'm not on here all the time, but you know, you don't want to miss when I come out with a video. So hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.